the 3rd episode of the Advent Calendar series this year.
And today is number whole 3, like Emma just stated.
If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we upload more.
So you can catch more of these videos where we open up things from this 24 compartment Advent calendar with the beautiful golden edges.
Every day at 10
I was supposed to say that. In each compartment, we have five items.
For the 5 children.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children.
Today we're opening up compartment number 3. And I'm aware there are Precious Moments items inside. And also one item that's not from Precious Moments. For Micah. Not Micah, Luca.
So thank you, Precious Moments. Let's get into it before Micah starts bawling his eyes out.
Alright.
Mugs!
We're gonna go first with Mother/Luca.
So this is from me to my parents.
Well, sort of. Noah paid for half of this because he wrote the old one. So, thanks to our own money. Alright, going on into our presents.
Oh, yeah.
We got 4 mugs.
Wow!
Mugs!
Micah gets a mug?
Micah gets a mug. Oh, it's got a bird on it? That's beautiful.
Yeah, Micah drinks coffee every day.
Mug!
I don't know if you can trust him with a mug because he's gonna throw it.
It's his mug. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
There's a little bird on it.
Putting choo-choos in it. Bam! Mug! So thank you, Precious Moments. Now we will cut to diaper bag B-roll and Noah making coffee. Thank you, Precious Moments, for free product.
Noah's making coffee with it right now. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligators.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.
Bye. Make sure you watch the video tomorrow at
Hey.
10 a.m. and it will be uploaded on the right time.
10 a.m. what time zone? Central time zone.
Click rectangles,
because-
click circle, subscribe videos. Bye.